Hi guys, welcome to the Pedagogy TLS. This is Abdul and you are watching YouTube channel. Another video about the Science Specialization Cycle 2. This is really interesting question and let me share the question first. Okay, this is a question and that's talking about the research. Which of the following would best represent X in the linear model of showing the relationship between science and technology. So the X is the missing factor or missing step in this linear process or in the linear model. So even we can answer by memorizing the steps of the linear model of production or linear model of innovation. We call the linear model of innovation. But I'll not, I'll suggest you that you should understand instead of, memorizing the steps. Okay. So this will give you the logically sequence that you can easily answer it. Okay. But before that, if you are willing to join the online cycle 2 science classes are available ready. You can join for January session and most welcome. And I'm offering also cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3 pedagogy classes for January session. So hurry up, book your slot and just get the desired result. No matter you have a last chance, second chance. Okay, don't worry. Okay. And I'm sure my classes will help you a lot. So let's talk about the steps. So according to linear model, let's understand first of what is linear model. Now linear model that is means the sequence of an steps sequence. Okay, just you can see here one, one, two, three, four, five, and six. This linear model can be also represented like that vertically. So it can be vertically, it can be horizontally. And another model we have typed the circle model that we call the cyclic model. So then one, two, three, four, five. So what is the difference between a cyclic model and the linear model? The cyclic model will continue from the same step that will be repeated, okay, from where we started. Just like action plans, our action plans, annual action plans. We repeat it from first teach, then assess, then we create an action plan. Again, we create a similar in cyclic model. But one of the disadvantage of the linear model that we don't repeat or start from the same point. We start with a new. So the question says, what is the, between production, operation of production and applied research? Okay. Now that is showing the X. Okay. So let's understand the first basic. Research is an idea that a researcher conceives that what I am going to research. For example, from STEM project, suppose in STEM we are going to apply, right? That's a very narrow approach. That's not research, but I'm just applying them. The student decided to investigate the benefits of biometric machines. Biometric machine, that means the machine when you are signing in and signing out. They started, research on, they applied it. Okay. After conducting research, they found there are the benefits. Okay. So what they decided that we should create a, biometric machine. That's we call the innovation and the development. After innovation and the development, the production. The production will be what? Either they have to create a many, the biometric machines, okay, and then they have to, sell these, the biometric machine and market a user and the society they will use it. Okay. Now this is the linear process of the innovations. Now the question says back to the question. Question says now what is the X step between applied research and production. What is the connection between science and science is about the research, right? This is applied research, right? This is science. And however, the development, uh, the between production, what we need it, we need the development, innovation. It can be innovation, it can be development. So if we don't have a development, that means our research and production won't be possible. So the between science and technology, the relationship is the development. I'm sure this will help you a lot, and it's very easy to understand. For more questions and more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Drop your comments and give me suggestions and whatever you need from me. Just feel free to discuss. My contact detail has been given for online classes and for further, details. So feel free to WhatsApp me or email me. We'll be meeting in the next lesson. Till that, stay blessed. Take care. Goodbye.